most likely is a disaster, but I'm going to put it online anyway. This is the Yuker Studio microphone mic 001, most likely the first microphone ever produced. It has high fidelity sound, minimizes noise, wide frequency response, and balanced input and output. Inside the package is one condenser microphone, one shock mount, one audio cable, one foam cap, and one user manual. Alright, let's go ahead and open it up. The first thing that comes out once you open it up is your warranty card. Then is the text specification. Alright, so that's the microphone, foam cap, XLR cable, and the shock mount. The shock mount has a clip. It's fairly snug fit. You pull the clip and you push the microphone inside. It's got a bit of foam covering as well. And this clip sits right on your boom arm of the microphone. XLR cable to 3.5 mm. Wind foam cap. Microphone has a fairly decent build quality. It's all metal design, very standard, looks pretty neat. Label in the front itself, the golden accents give a very retro feel to it, and there's already a foam inside within the grill. The specification document gives you a frequency response curve as well as the cardioid design. Let's put it all together. So within the shock mount, you pull the clips and you push the microphone on the inside, find the snug fit, and leave it there. Once that is done, you go ahead and put in the XLR cable, male to female, and there's only one way to do that. And there'll be a clip that'll actually give you a confirmation that it is done. And lastly, you can put in the foam cover on top of that, and once that is done, the setup is ready. Now you just need to plug in and play. Now that I've set it up, the way I have set it up is I've got the Yuker mic right here, and that's the mic that I'm speaking into. I'm recording the audio on my MacBook. The XLR cable, which is right here, is going all the way into my phantom power. I'm giving it a 48 volt of power onto the microphone, and then the cable from there is going into my Mac through a USB sound card and that 3.5 mm jack. So that's the whole sequence right here, and I'm feeding this audio all the way to my MacBook, and I'm recording directly onto QuickTime as an audio. The video is getting recorded on the camera. I'll be using the audio from here directly without any change. In case there is any gain that I decide to add onto it, I will definitely mention that on this. You will definitely see that on the screen right about now. So right, let's look at the entire thing. This is currently on my boom arm. This is the shock mount. So if I go ahead and change, let's go ahead and shake certain things here. I don't know if it is shaking the audio as well, the way it is coming through. I'm not too sure. You'll have to tell me about that. Let's move it. So I'm speaking in front of the mic, and the mic is towards where the label is on Yuker. I'm not speaking around it, and I'm going around and around and all the way towards the back of the mic. I'm going from back, and I'm coming out the way front, and I'm in the front of the mic. So that's the test on the capability of the mic in now. The way this chart specifically suggests right here, the voice will be picked up from the front side, and everything at the back of the mic, the voice will be discarded automatically. So this would be a test in terms of what the front and the back of the specific mic is. I believe the front is where the name of the brand is written, which is the Yuker. So I've taken this as the front, and I've taken this at the back, which is I'm speaking at the back. Also, another important thing is that it already has a bit of muff which is built into it. I'm now going to put the muff that came with the mic, and let's hear how that sounds. So now this is with the muff, the wind muff that comes with the mic. I can see the reading on my recording right now. So we'll have to see how the volume comes through, if it increased or it didn't increase. It is supposed to go down just very slightly, and the high ends are supposed to go, close nicely in the sense that there are no pitches on it. So that's it, and go on this all the way around from the front. I'm at the back, and moving from back all the way into the front and the front. So the way I am speaking in the microphone right now is I just have my mouth touching onto the wind muff, and that's how I'm talking to it. All right, let's do the distance test now. Right now I am exactly on the microphone. This is me talking from 1 feet away with the wind muff on. This is me approximately 2 feet away from the microphone with the wind muff on. I am 3 feet away from the microphone with the wind muff on. And I'm back onto right next to the microphone with the wind muff on. I'm going to take off the wind muff to see if it captures anything more, basis the distance when the wind muff is not there. So let's hear it. All right now I am speaking on the microphone with no distance between me and the microphone. This is me talking to the microphone with 1 feet distance without the wind muff on it. I am now 2 feet away talking into the microphone without the wind muff on it. I am now roughly 3 feet away from the microphone without the wind muff on it. All right, I'm going to put the wind muff back. That's how it actually sounds. I'm going to listen to it on post, of course, and the idea is that I think the quality of this microphone, the sound quality, I'm actually going to stop right now and listen to the quality. I'm going to give it a listen, okay? I'm feeding this audio all the way to my MacBook, and okay, having just heard the recording from this microphone, I think it's kind of decent. And this is one of my first microphone. I have 2 microphones with me. This one is from Yuker. The other microphone that I have is from EcoPro. This definitely requires a phantom power, and I'm going to be testing this one as well. Between the usage that I've had of these 2, I do prefer EcoPro specifically because it has a little more balanced depth of sound, or a little bit more volume as compared to what this one currently offers. But at the same time, this is a full package. This has a shock mount, which is right here. It has a wind muff, which is right on top. Both the things, if required, you'll have to probably pick it up extra with any other with any other microphone, like a wind muff like this one. You would actually have to pick that up. But if you have a Yuker mic which comes with a wind muff like that, then the additional pop filter is really not required. In case you're wondering if you do need a phantom power, which is the external power source, with this microphone or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect directly this microphone to my laptop and bypass the phantom power and record the next couple of seconds and just for you to listen to and how does it sound, whether it's similar to what it is with the phantom power or without, whether you do need to buy a phantom power with this microphone or not. So let's take a look and let's take a listen to that. This audio is recorded directly onto the MacBook through the USB card without the phantom power. So the XLR cable to 3.5 is inserted right here, and I'm pushing it directly onto the system where I'm recording. It definitely does feel a bit low as compared to how it was, or the volume in the voice and the recording that was there, but nonetheless, that's how it sounds. And that's been the quick review on the Yuker Studio Microphone Mic 001. That's the official number. And I hope this is not the first mic that they've ever made, by the way. So that's about it. If you've got questions for me, do let me know in the comment section down below. This video may not be very good because this is one of my first microphone reviews. I spent a lot of time figuring out how to do it. This is the best that I could come up with. It most likely is a disaster, but I'm going to put it online anyway. And see what you guys have to say about it. Maybe I should just stick to headphone reviews. Anyhow, thanks for your time, and you have a good one. Cheers.